Day 27 with my 7-week-old Green Cheek Conure foster. The weaning process is still going really well. She is so silly and playful, and also super smart. If you haven't seen it already, the gender reveal is posted on my page, so go check it out. We officially know if this little one is a boy or a girl. Here she was the first week I had her, the second week, the third week, and the fourth week so far. Stay tuned for more of her progress and also for the big name reveal, which is coming soon.